Land stewardship means caring for our natural resources in a sustainable way. The Land Stewardship program was developed for the busy land manager to build their knowledge base, to empower landowners to make smart decisions on their land. Each course captures the most important and practical information in a streamlined structure. Courses include lectures, readings, and on-the-land activities. Our goal is to enable learners to directly apply what they are learning. The hands-on activities ask that you walk your property, identify grasses or weeds, and get your hands dirty learning about soil health. Take one course, a bundle of courses, or the entire land stewardship program.
In this course, we're going to be talking about a lot of kind of basics and fundamental ideas to owning land and what land stewardship and ownership is. And in addition to that, we're going to be talking about sustainability and what we mean when we're saying sustainability as it applies to your land.
So why are we concerned with soil? Well, soil obviously is the thing that grows everything that we're trying to grow on the land. It's made of minerals, organic matter, liquids, gases, microorganisms. We're going to get real in depth into this as we move along through this course, but just wanted to give you an introduction and show you what we're able to do with soils.
I feel very passionate about the way we use and distribute our water in Colorado. I think it's a fascinating subject, and I hope that by the end of this course you feel the same.
So what is a weed? A weed's a plant that is determined to be out of place. Now, sometimes they're noxious to livestock or wildlife. Sometimes there are issues with our crops or other plants that we're trying to grow.
We're going to be talking about an introduction to forage and grasses, and we're going to be talking about some principles of grazing and pasture management, and then we'll tie it together and use that as a framework so you can develop your own pasture management or your own grazing management plan on your property.
Welcome to the first module in the wildlife course. Today, we're going to be talking about wildlife and you, and this module is going to serve to give an introduction to the course as a whole. We're going to talk about some of the reasonings behind why wildlife is important to worry about and some of the wildlife in Colorado that you should be aware of. So let's get started.
Believe it or not, all of these disasters actually can happen in Colorado. Floods, tornadoes, diseases, wildfires, earthquakes, severe weather, landslides, and even blizzards all can happen in Colorado. So what can we do to be prepared? Disasters, as you know, can happen anytime. In order for us to be prepared, we need to make a plan, stay informed, and be involved. And that's all part of preparedness.
You will explore the dynamic relationships and processes that take place on the land, in the soils, and among the wildlife around us. You'll strengthen your land stewardship skills. You'll be equipped with the best tools and knowledge to create sustainable solutions and promote the long-term health of our natural resources.